Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 25 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Los Angeles, New York, Chicago, San Francisco. What is the Roman numeral for 400? DC, CM, XL, CD. Which country is not in South America? Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia. Which Swiss city is renowned for its role in global banking and finance? Geneva, Lucerne, Zurich, Basel. What does WI stand for in Wi-Fi? Wide, window, wireless, worldwide. Which of these is a cold-blooded animal? Elephant, lizard, kangaroo, goat. An angle less than 90 degrees is called? Right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, acute angle. What do you call a group of monkey? A pack, a troop, a pride, a herd. Which animal runs very fast without legs? Snake, fish, octopus, snail. What is the capital city of Jordan? Damascus, Amman, Beirut, Cairo. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Earth, Venus, Mercury, Mars. Which of these rivers flows through New York City? Hudson River, River Thames, Danube River, Indus River. CIV is the three-letter code for which country? Ivory Coast, El Salvador, Cape Verde, America. What is the official currency of Italy? Krona, lira, euro, yen. What type of terrain feature is a knoll? Small river, small hill, small prairie, small stream. Who discovered laughing gas? Joseph Priestley, Humphrey Davy, Carl Wilhelm, none of these. Which is the capital of Paraguay? Asunción, Podgorica, Tallinn, Vilnius. Who wrote the biography of Quaid-e-Azam? Stanley Wolpert, Hector Bolitho, Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Iqbal. Where is the Colosseum located? Paris, France. Athens, Greece. Rome, Italy. Cairo, Egypt. What is the capital of Nepal? Thimphu, Colombo, Kathmandu, Dhaka. What is the study of reptiles called? Ornithology, ichthyology, herpetology, entomology. Where is Chandragupta mud volcano located? India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka. Who is the author of The Origin of Species? Charles Darwin. A. Hope. T. Hardy. O. Goldsmith. CPAC connects water to which Chinese city? Shanghai, Beijing, Xinjiang, Chengdu. Which is the deepest lake of the world? Lake Baikal, Caspian Lake, Willar Lake, Lake Victoria. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.